Does COE makes everything sense? Oh my god. It's kind of boring and I want to go to Gateway and meet my boyfriend.
Why are you saying that? It can help us to be aware in our courses and prepare us in our career in the future.
Oh, whatever. But it's not important such as math and science.
If that's your perspective, I won't bug in. But as your friend, please don't skip COE.
Okay, fine. I will attend today's class.
Okay.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you twist your hair gets me
Good morning, students. Good morning,
Oh, you're boredom. I wonder what he will teach us this time. Leadership, ethics, values. Ew.
What is the subject, Mr. Toby?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, class. Let's tackle about the professional ethics for you, future engineers. You should know that engineers must perform under a standard of professional behavior that requires excellence, values, principles, and ethical conduct. According to the Code of Ethics for Engineers, Section 3, professional obligations, number 1 is engineers should acknowledge their errors and should not.
Miss Cristel, why would my company hire you? Prove me yourself.
Sir, you would hire me because I am a very intelligent person with an IQ of 100. My final grade in college is 1.25 and I can answer questions that you ask.
Miss Ann Barrios, why would my company hire you? Prove me yourself.
Sir, I would like to be in your company because it is my dream. I am a very work-harding person. I am an average in terms of intelligence, but I promise that I will do my best in any work of you will put me to the fullest of my capabilities.